Welcome to this video on loading thermal ribbons. Silver Fox produces labelling ribbon in 3 widths. The 110mm wide ribbon can be used for all our thermal labels. Other ribbon widths, notably 60 and 25mm wide, are also available. Here's how to set up the ribbon that's 110mm wide. Push the spindles into the ribbon cores and then slide the ribbon down the spindles. Put the ribbon into position. Here's how to set up the printer for a ribbon that's 60mm wide. Having pushed the spindles into the ribbon cores, push the ribbon down both spindles as you would with the wider ribbon. And here's how to set up the printer for a ribbon that's 25mm wide. Push the spindles into the ribbon core and keep the rolls tightly together when you take them out of the box. Incidentally, a new box should contain 2 rolls of ribbon, providing 600 meters of ribbon in all. Keeping the ribbons taut, turn them upside down and gently lower the ribbon about 25mm or 1 inch. Unroll the ribbon slightly so that you can mount the loaded spindles onto the ribbon carriage. Push the ribbon down so the front core's bottom edge aligns with the black dot. You might need to adjust this setting when you're printing your labels. Make sure then that the rear full feeder roll is exactly behind the empty front reel, and then lift the front spindle to tighten the ribbon and put it back in place. When you leave the printer overnight or for long periods and labels are loaded in it, please keep the ribbon carriage open. When you move the printer, the spindles and ribbon should be stored in the well behind the ribbon carriage. Fox in a Box can print all Silver Fox's thermal labels for a range of applications using 1 software, 1 printer and 1 ribbon.
At the end of each print run, your labels will automatically feed out of the printer. The next time you print, the blank labels automatically roll back into the printer. The advanced and professional versions of the software include this unique rollback functionality, saving you money on labels and helping to reduce waste in the environment.
Fox in a Box's Labicus Innovator software lets you print our laser labels on a laser printer. Other options include printing our Legend non-shrink tubing via the Fox in a Box printer, then using a mounting bar to produce tie-on cable labels. Or, using your own laser printer, you can print ProLab polyester A4 self-adhesive sheets. For further help, contact the Silver Fox support team. We offer support via WhatsApp and TeamViewer, so we can show you on your PC how to work best with your software. Thanks for choosing Silver Fox.